Hello everybody. This week is a week of growing accounts, even though the market is not giving that much, but I do appreciate what I see in here. As you can see, I have my real account, and also I would like to know how is everybody doing in the forex market. Let me know on the comment section below. Another important thing that you have to know is that forex is not an easy journey. It's not easy, but it can be very simple. It can be a very simple journey for you only if you have the three ingredients of it, which is the first one is patient, second one is discipline, the last one is to have the right information about forex. I've entered this trade yesterday and today is Friday. Let me show you another account. So I'll be closing my trade at around 12, but then if I don't close them, I know that I have because I'm expecting 100 pips from this trade. So if my trade is not stopped out, maybe I'll let it run. I'll just decide what I want to do with the trade. So for now, I do appreciate what I see, and then you must also know that forex is not easy. It takes time. It takes time of many fail. I failed many times, but then once I make it, I do make it. But then it takes time. I won't lie. It's not an overnight thing that it can just happen in just like that. No, it takes time. So you better be patient, disciplined, and have the right information in hand. God bless everybody. Yours truly, Positive Trader, signing out.